Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on starting both my vehicles. So I got my 98 Taco and my 95 Celica that I haven't started. It's been about 6 or 7 months, maybe longer. It's a 4x4 V6, and yes, I know the scratches. My grandfather, he hit it with his car when he came to visit. Thanks. But I got some cool upgrades that I did to it. LED lights, front and back. Also, I also got LED lights for the I forgot what the AC I guess controls the shifter, and of course the gauge cluster too. So yeah, I'm gonna start it up right now. Like I said, I was surprised that there's even battery. Yeah, let's get this on. Look at that. Toyota. And yeah, I was actually very surprised when I put the lights on. Look how bright they are. I wish I had a video of the before, but Jesus, man, this thing, bright as this thing was, wow. But yeah, as you can see, you can actually see everything now, especially this right here. That really surprised me. You can see it pretty good, and then of course these, like I said, very bright. Yeah, so it's a 3.4 V6 automatic with the J style 4x4 shifter. I don't have any really upgrades to it. All I really have done to it was the LED lights, speakers from the front and the back, because it is an extra cab. I am going to get a cold air intake for it. I bought headers for it. They still hasn't come in yet. Full exhaust system. Yeah. Oh, I also put a 4-core radiator in it. This thing runs cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna probably make another video for the Celica. Like I said, it's a 95, but like I said, I'll tell you more info about that one in the next one. All right, peace.